student. So today we are going to learn our first chapter. The chapter name is Computer at a Glance. So in our previous classes we learned so many things about computer system like hardware, software, input output devices, data processing and the various types of computer. And we also learn about the storage devices, means how the data is stored inside the computer system. So before we start, it's time to take a quick review of our previous knowledge. So today we are living in the age of computer. Everything we see around us nowadays is some or the other way connected with the computer technology. But it could be our communication system or our lifestyle, gadgets, etc. So the everything is influenced with this technology. So let us once again go through the quickly and to understand what is the machine is all about. So let's start. So what is mean by computer? So the computer is an electronic data processing machine in which is capable of processing the huge amount of data very quickly and accurately. So some commonly used computers are desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet computer. So the main features of this computer. First, speed means it processes a data at very high speed. Then accuracy means it produces the result with 100% accuracy. Then diligence means it's never get tired or bored from its work. Then next is memory. So means it has a huge storage capacity where the information can be stored permanently for a long time. And the last is versatility, means it can perform the varieties of jobs for the user. So two main components of computer system. So first is hardware and second is software. So the hardwares are the physical parts of computer system and the softwares are the program or the set of instruction. Then the hardwares which can be see or touch and the software that's run on the system and to solve user problem. So the examples of hardware: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and the softwares are Windows 7, MS Word, MS Paint, MS PowerPoint, etc. So the next is, look at here, these are the image of hardware and these are the software. So this is our IPO cycle. The IPO cycle means the input, processing and output. So the computer work on simple principles: input, processed and output, means as the output from one process can be used as an input for another. That's why it's known as a IPO cycle. So the next is hardware devices. So the computer system compares of many types of hardware devices like input, output, storage and processing devices. So let us see the processing devices. So the data in the computer is processed by the CPU, means a central processing unit, and it also known as a brain of computer. So the processing device has a three main parts. First ALU, second CU and the last is memory. So the ALU means the arithmetic logical unit. So the ALU perform all the types of data processing work, means they performing all the arithmetic operation. Then CU, the control unit, means this control unit can control the flow of data and instruction. Then third is memory, means the memory store the input data and instruction and proceeds the information. So look at here, this is the inside design of CPU. MU is a memory unit, CU is a control unit and ALU is the arithmetic logical unit. and they both are processed together and gives a output. The next is input devices. So the input devices, these are the peripheral device which are used to enter the data and instruction in the computer system. Means the type of input devices connected with the system and depends upon the types of data to be processed. So these are some input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and touchpad and touch screen. So let us see one by one. So the first input device is keyboard. So keyboard is one of the most commonly used input device and it is used to enter the text data and instruction in the computer. So look at here, this is our keyboard. There are the multiple types of keys available there. These are the special keys: shift key, caps lock key, tab key, enter key, then spacebar key, then the number keys. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the number keys. These are the alphabetical key A to Z. Then these are the functions key. So the next is mouse. So mouse is a pointing device which is commonly used in a graphical user interface and it works by the pointing and clicking the graphical object on the screen. Look at here, this is the pointer that used to pointing the object on the graphical screen and this is our wired mouse. So the next is scanner. So the scanner is a device is used to store the image or pictures in the computer from their hard copies and it works like a photocopier machine. So the next is microphone. So the microphone is used to input sound or gives the audio based instruction to the system. Then next is touchpad. So the touchpad is an input device and it used mainly in a laptop and it used to sense the movement of finger to control the pointer on the screen. So the next is touch screen. So the touch screen is a type of device that can sense the touch of finger or also sense on the screen to point the object appearing on it. So thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.